Easy and simple, two different strawberry drinks that anyone will make in no time. I bet you will love this. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Annie Krieger. The few ingredients we need for this cocktail or mocktail. Now, first, I have 200 grams of strawberries. I have elderflower syrup, homemade elderflower syrup. Okay, so you can as well skip this if you don't have it, or make use of any other syrup you can lay your hands on. Again, I have 1 teaspoon. The syrup is about 40 milliliter of syrup, or 40 ml syrup. We have 1 tablespoon of honey. So should in case you don't have the syrup, you can just go for honey. That would do for the recipe. And we have 1 whole full lemon. Again, I have orange juice. Okay, so if you don't want to go for orange juice, or maybe you don't have one at home, you can as well skip it. I also have some mineral water. You can go for soda water, or whatever sparkling water you have. I have mint, which is very, very important in this recipe. It is not must, but I love the smell it brings to this drink. Now, for that kick we are talking about, I have my whiskey here. You can go for any whiskey. You can go for rum, white rum, or any of your favorite tastes. Now, what I would do first is go ahead and clean my strawberry before taking off the green part here. This is just to avoid letting any water in your strawberry. So what I would do is just run it through the tap. Take off the green part and drop in the mixer. Now, after having this in here, we will go ahead and cut our lemon. Now pour your lemon in the strawberry. Now we'll go in with 40 ml of our elderflower syrup. Like I said, optional. I'll go in with 1 tablespoon of honey. I will add in 200 ml orange juice. If you have one, go for it. If not, just skip it. So each one is 100 ml. Then you want to cover this up and blend. Go ahead and clean up your board. For some highlights. To serve your strawberry drinks, you want to use a suitable something like highball glass. This one is perfect because it is easy to stir. Now I will introduce my ice cube. It is good to serve this drink on ice cube. If you don't have one, please chill your drink first. Chill the strawberry drink first before serving it. First, I will start with a cocktail by introducing the whiskey on top of the ice, and then followed by mineral water or soda water. Now, it would have been more easier for me if I were making the mocktail. I would have mixed everything at a go. So if you are not making two type of drinks, just mix everything with a shaker or in a blender just like that. But because of the mocktail, I have to separate it and serve like this. So before you enjoy, make sure you generously stir and enjoy. Next is the mocktail. I also poured in some mineral water. Pour in your strawberry drinks, garnish with some strawberry and mint. Before you enjoy this drink, take your time, use the straw to stir everything together, or use a spoon and enjoy. Like guys, Can you imagine? Just sit down and imagine what this thing would taste. It tasted fantastic. I wish I could share with you all, lovelies. I loved everything. I love everything that has to do with this drink. And I hope you enjoyed watching until this time. Please don't forget to leave your opinion in the comment section. Give me some like. Please don't go without liking. Share with your loved ones. And see you all in my next one. Bye for now.